Hey, Chip Wade here, DIY expert and TV host. Welcome to the lake. This is Misty Mill, a 1980s log cabin my wife and I found a couple of years ago, and we completely renovated the entire thing from top to bottom. Let me show you around. I, of course, love to make all of the interior finishes really nice, beautiful, and comfortable, but we got this property for the outdoor living, being out on the water, having the breeze and the sun out here, specifically on the boathouse and dock. This is where all of my family and friends love to gather. Now, it's of course pretty toasty during the day, but as the sun fades and even in those winter months, it can get really chilly out here. And to recapture 365-day access and enjoyment out here, I installed a heating system that really just creates that cloud of comfort in these areas. This is from Infratech. They make really nice units. I chose a wall-mounted unit out here, 2 different ones that just, again, create that blanket of warmth. They also offer recessed options for a more modern look inside a flat ceiling, which looks dynamite as well. I was probably most impressed though with the ease of installation and the quality of controls. As you install one of these things, I can guarantee you won't be disappointed. Being out here on the water, again, it's all about having this comfort and the peace of mind that you and your family and friends are going to enjoy every single day of the year in the outdoors for your project. Thanks so much for letting me show you around my lake house, and good luck on your next project.